JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 2, Mathematics, Question 6. This is a multiple correct answer question. Let us visualize the problem. Here is the parabola y squared equals x. We draw a chord from one point to another on the parabola such that the area enclosed between the chord and the parabola is exactly 4/3. The midpoint of every such chord traces out a locus, which we call S. As we will show, this locus is the curve x equals y squared plus 1. Here is the question. Let S denote the locus of midpoints of those chords of the parabola y squared equals x, such that the area enclosed between the parabola and the chord is 4/3. Let R denote the region in the first quadrant enclosed by y squared equals x, the curve S, and the lines x equals 1 and x equals 4. Option A, the point 4, √3 lies on S. Option B, the point 5, √2 lies on S. Option C, area of R is 14/3 minus 2 √3. Option D, area of R is 14/3 minus √3. The key concept is the standard area formula for a parabolic segment. Parameterize the parabola y squared equals x as the point t squared, t for a chord from a squared, a to b squared, b. The area enclosed between the chord and the parabola is the absolute value of a minus b cubed divided by 6. Setting this equal to 4/3, we get the absolute value of a minus b cubed equals 8, so a minus b equals plus or minus 2. Step 1. Find the locus S. Let a minus b equal 2, and define S as a plus b over 2. Then A equals S plus 1, B equals S minus 1. The midpoint x coordinate is a squared plus b squared over 2, which simplifies to S squared plus 1. The midpoint y coordinate is a plus b over 2, which is S. Eliminating S, we get the locus x equals y squared plus 1. Step 2. Check whether the given points lie on S. For option A, the point 4, √3, y squared plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4, which matches x. So A is true. For option B, the point 5, √2, y squared plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3, which is not 5. So B is false. Step 3. Compute the area of region R. Region R lies between the parabola y equals √x and the locus y equals root of x minus 1, from x equals 1 to x equals 4. The area integral is the integral from 1 to 4 of √x minus root of x minus 1, dx. Evaluating, the first integral gives to x to the 3/2 over 3, evaluated from 1 to 4, which is 16/3 minus 2/3, that is 14/3. The second integral gives to times x minus 1 to the 3/2 over 3, evaluated from 1 to 4, which is 2 times 3 √3 over 3, that is 2 √3. So the area equals 14/3 minus 2 √3, confirming option C. The correct answers are options A and C. The point 4, √3 lies on the locus S, and the area of region R is 14/3 minus 2 √3. The locus is x equals y squared plus 1, derived from the chord constraint a minus b equals 2. Here are some exam tips. First, the standard area between a chord and the parabola y squared equals x is the absolute value of a minus b cubed divided by 6. Memorize this formula. Second, for midpoint locus problems, always use the parametric form of the curve, then eliminate the parameter to get the locus equation. Third, when integrating √x minus root of x minus 1, use the substitution u equals x minus 1 for the second integral. Finally, always verify that the boundary values x equals 1 and x equals 4 are consistent with the region described. If you found this solution helpful, like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB.